Xbox Cloud Gaming, or as it was previously known, Project xCloud, is Microsoft's cloud gaming solution, which allows you to play the latest games without the need of any strong local hardware, as it's all being done on some servers far away. Now obviously this kind of approach has its benefits given how you can play the latest games at high quality without needing a powerful gaming PC. However, it goes beyond that, because you can also use it to play the latest games on even, say, your phone, given how the Xbox Cloud Gaming app is available on both Android and iOS. Beyond that, it's also available on computers and even on, say, an Xbox One or Xbox Series console. So of course, there the biggest benefit is the fact that you can try the latest games without having to wait around to download and install them first. And of course, especially if you still have an Xbox One, it allows you to continue to play games in much higher quality than a console is actually able to produce on its actual built-in hardware, as it uses servers based on the Xbox Series X. That is pretty much the amount of performance you can expect when using this service. Now, it is not all sunshine and rainbows, of course, as you still need a good internet connection, with 10 megabits per second being the minimum. However, 20 megabits per second is about what you want for a good experience. It also maxes out at just 1080p 60 FPS, meaning that if you have a display that can support more than that, unfortunately you can't take advantage of it, in comparison to other competitors like GeForce Now, which do allow you to go all the way up to 4K. What's more, you're also going to need the most expensive Xbox Game Pass Ultimate tier of Microsoft's Game Pass service, and that will cost you up to $20 a month. Now keep in mind that you do not have to buy any of the games separately, because they're all part of this one catalog you have access to for $20 a month. So what you can spend money on instead is one of the many accessories out there to get the most out of cloud streaming, as companies offer many different controllers that can integrate your phone screen into them, giving you a convenient and portable way to always have a controller with you to allow you to play your favorite games wherever you go. And of course, while most games will require a controller, many others can just be played with your device's touchscreen instead. Though of course that depends on which title specifically you want to play. But that's pretty much everything you need to know about what Xbox Cloud Gaming is, how you can use it, and how to get in on the action. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.